Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to do some practicing of our sounds, and we're going to try making some words as well. Because I know you're all very, very good at making your words, and you've all been practicing really hard. So let's give it a go, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at all of the sounds that we know already, and we are going to say the sound together. So I want you to say them out really loud, okay? Let's start. Ah. Eh. Mm. Now these next ones, I want you to say really quietly, as if you're whispering, okay? Eh. Er. Mm. Duh. And these next ones, I want you to say really loud again, okay? G. Ah. Oh. Ugh. And our newest one is this one. Can you remember what this sound is from yesterday, boys and girls? Anyone remember? That's right. For fun, which I'm sure you are all having right now. Okay, so let's have a quick look at all of these sounds that we have learned. Can you point to your favorite sound? Which is your favorite sound? Well done. Now why don't we try making some words? So down here, we have our 3 spaces for some words. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say a word, and I want you to see if you can spell it. We'll do it nice and slowly, okay? The first word is mud. Mud. Let's just have a little think about what sounds there are. Oh, d. Mud. What does it start with? Yeah, you're right. And what's in the middle of the word? Mud. Uh, d. Oh, what sound is that? And what's the sound at the end of the word? Mud. D. Super, did everyone get that right? Excellent, well done, boys and girls. Let's put them back up. And we'll try another word. Okay, the next word that we're going to try is fun. Using our new sound this week, fun. Let's have a listen. Fun. So the first sound is go. First one. Fun. The next sound. Oh. Oh. And listen to the sound at the end of the word. Fun. Oh. This one, isn't it, boys and girls? Well done. Excellent. Let's try another one. What about the word big? the word fig. Let's break it up. Fig. Let's start with this one. Next we have, teacher. Fig. Excellent. These back. Oh, that's our new one, isn't it? The next one we're going to do is tap. See if you can do this one yourself. Tap. A. Tap. Give you a few seconds. I'll say the word again, listening really carefully. T. A. P. Tap. Are we all ready? Tap. A. Did we all get that right? Excellent. Now, why don't we play a little game? I'm going to show you some pictures, and I want you to tell me I want you to point to the screen to which sound it starts with. This down here. What's this picture? It's a gate, isn't it? So what is the first sound of the word gate? Is it E, G, or O? It's gate, isn't it? G. Excellent. Let's try another one. Ooh. Well, we all know what this is, don't we? An umbrella. Can you point to the first sound? One of our new ones from last week, do you remember? It's Excellent. Let's try another one. Oh, look at this. What is the first sound in this? Can you tell me what it is first? A rocket. Everyone point to the first sound in rocket. Excellent. Let's try another one. We'll go with... what are these, boys and girls? Keys. Excellent. Can you point to the first sound for keys? Is it an A? No. Is it our new sound? It's a K. Excellent. Okay, let's see. I'll do one more. Let's see if I can find a tricky one. This is a good one, I think. What is this? Does everybody know what this is? A saw. Saw. What's the first sound? Well done, boys and girls. Great work today. Keep on practicing your sounds, and we'll be learning a new sound tomorrow.